afternoon, everyone. This is the main video for this XP Deus WS5 headset. You get a choice between the 9-inch, the 9-inch high frequency coil, or the 11-inch coil. It's your choice. So you get one of those coils with this XP Deus WS5. Let's get it started. We are live at 3 o'clock. Oops, what did I do? 3 o'clock. We got the list here. We have 8 entries, so it's got great odds. We got Bruno on the top, Allen on the bottom. We need 2 dice, 5 or higher. We got 6 times. 6 times at 301. Let's begin. Good luck, everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. We've got Pete on the top. We must go, what did I say, 6. Must go 6. Good luck wish coming your way at 301. 301. Last and final roll. Top spot wins this XP Deus. Congratulations. Goes to spot 1, Bruno. Congratulations, Bruno. We are done at 301. 301. Verification code OFMICU. Congratulations again, Bruno. Sorry, everyone else. Thanks for playing. Have a great rest of your weekend. Take care.